It's still the 28th of June. Go for a ride in a skidsteer. I can remember how to work this damn thing. Funny thing about this thing, when I got it, it had a little 5-foot bucket on it. Well, I got this 6-foot bucket that's like, it's 6 foot wide, 3 foot deep, and 3 foot tall. Well, when I put it on here, I made all the mounts to put it on here, and it come off my my 4-wheel drive loader. The problem is I ain't got enough weight in the back, so I had to add weight to the back of it. Because when I used to pick up a load of dirt, it used to rock her. So I added a bunch of weight to the back. Probably not a good thing to do, because I remember I had a loader over in Morley. I kept adding more weight to the back to pick up more weight, and I busted the frame in half in the middle. That was really smart. So yeah, that's the way it goes, man. Am I the only one that still does this kind of shit? Is that it? It's, by the way, it's till the 28th of September. No, June 2022. I'm gonna make about 6-7 videos today, so I might post them, I might not. Who the hell knows?